so excited to share this video with you. I just got this massive box of goodies from Renee and Mum. They sent it up about a week ago and it's just arrived. Lots of yummy new things for the shop, so I thought I would pop on and share some of them with you. They should technically all go into the shop, but I keep looking at them going, oh, I like that one. Oh, I'll have one of those. Oh, I want to have one of those, blah, blah, blah. So I don't know exactly how much of it will make it to the shop, but I thought I'd pop on, share it with you, and then if you're interested, you can pop over to the shop and have a look and grab whatever I managed to put in there. All right, I'm going to shift most of this to the side. There's a bit of a glare going on here, and we'll have a little bit of a closer look at some of the items. So I'll be back in just one sec. All right, so I've got these ones left here on the desk. Mum has made these up and they are fabulous. They're like little embellishment packs with lace and bows and buttons and pearls, some fabric and an image, some labels, all sorts of bits and pieces in there to make a lovely embellishment. And she's made them in all of these different varieties. And I love every one of them. So many different types. So cute. Look at that little girl, isn't she beautiful? And they're really well colour coordinated. There's a Christmas one here as well, bit late for Christmas, but you know, maybe you're still doing your Christmas journal. I'd have to say I think these bluey greeny ones are my favourites, but as you can see, heaps of variety. Pinky purpley one over here. So those are awesome. Good job on those, Mum. She has also put together these awesome little mini junk jewellery bags with blingy earrings and some bling string and all sorts of bits and pieces in there. So they are super cute. And then she's put these awesome lace and trim packs together. So you've got some embroidered trim, different laces and trims down the bottom there. Very pretty indeed. All nicely colour coordinated. They look awesome, Mum. I hope the glare isn't too much. So pretty. And then she's made a whole huge box of these. We had some of these different style to these, some neutral ones in the shop, and they sold out so quick. Mum prices them stupidly reasonably. I think she charges $1 for these, and they're in these lovely colours here. So there is quite a few of each of those, so hopefully there'll be enough. And we have put together some prints packs. We'd had several people ask for prints packs. So this is specifically just like a label pack, and it comes in all the colours that our kits come in. And basically there's 20 labels. It's all the same design, but it comes in every colour. So you get 200 labels in these packs, and there will be 4 different packs available of those. So these are some little embellishment packs. You get some floral stickers, but it's been put together in such a way that you could actually use this as a handmade embellishment on its own, and there are 3 different flavours of those. So next I'll share with you some of the awesome yummy grunge. So I want to keep all of this, but I'll probably have to relinquish and let some go into the shop, much to my disgust. But I love, love, love what Mum has made here. It's amazing. So I'll pop this to the side and we'll go through some of these in a little bit more detail. So first of all, we'll have a look at one of these. I'm actually going to open one up. These are little handmade embellishments that Mum's made with authentic vintage ephemera and wire, and they are just so awesome. I love them. So you could hang them from the little wire tops, or you could glue them down as an embellishment on a page. I think they're just so unique. I'm going to actually ask her to do a tutorial on these. How cool is that? I just love them. Very, very cool. Love those, Mum. Then she's put together these awesome little bundles of vintage papers and vintage kind of fabrics. They are so cool. So it looks like there's book page, lacy, looks like dyed fabrics, some India cotton in there. There's an image from the wrapping paper, handmade paper, lace, all sorts of yumminess in there. So there's a huge variety of those, and they look great. Now I actually also have done some paper dyeing finally. Took me ages to get my area back to be able to do it. So we've got some dyed pianola paper in some different colours. There's blacks and whites. This one's got turquoise or green, browns, more greens, and there's some that have like gold flecks in them as well. So there's quite a few of those. I also dyed some diary pages, and these ones have gold splashes. Hopefully you can see that on the papers. And you can barely even see the dates, but I think this was from like 1996 or something. And then I also did some plain paper, again in a variety of different colourways. Hopefully you can see there's not too much glare. So some are more plain than others. This one's actually, can't really see it on the camera, but it's got like a diamond watermark through the paper. It's really quite unique. I've never seen anything like it, but you can sort of see it showing up through here. So on some pages the dye has actually picked up on the watermark, and you can see this sort of diamond lattice pattern in the background of the paper, which I think is really cool. You can see a bit of it there too. So it almost looks like stenciling, but it's not. It's actually watermarked into the paper. So more of a plainer one, some purpley one, greys, and more greys. So quite a few packs of that available. And then these are my two favourites. So Mum has made these amazing little grungy journals. Again, sorry about the glare there. I do have one open to show you. So they are so cool. This one's been tied with sari silk. Just got one of those wire paper embellishments on the front there. And when you open it up, it's got this lovely sort of texture to it. Some lace, grungy lace down the side there, and it's got all sorts of different hand-dyed grungy papers in here. That's the inside of an envelope. Music paper, this is corrugated paper, vellum, some envelope, and then back the other way. But I just love them. I think they are so cool. So there's a few of those, and then my last and most favourite thing that she has made are these little fabric, grungy fabric scrolls. Aren't they awesome? And there's a huge box of them, so she's not going to know if I pinch 1 or 6. Don't they look awesome? And inside each one is, I might just undo one, don't tell her. So you get the lovely jute twine, and then there's these little hand-dyed grungy pieces of fabric and lace, just little snippets, and they're so cool. Look at that, so textural. Love it. Lace, they just look so yummy. And I've actually recently dyed some journaling cards. Oh, they're not journaling cards, they're just cards, and I thought I would make myself some little journals, and I thought, oh, I need some little bits of grungy fabric and whatnot, and these would be just perfect for it. So I'm just going to, pinch a few. She'll never know if you don't tell her. But I just love them. I think they look great. And it's a good way to get, a little bit of grungy material without having to go to the effort of grunging it all yourself and getting out all the tea dye or the Parisian essence, food colouring, whatever. And they just look fabulous. Huge bundle of them. I love them just sitting there on the table in a big stack. Awesome. So awesome job, Mum and Reenie. Oh, actually, no, I haven't finished. I've got some other things I've got to show you what Reenie made. So Reenie has been busy as well. Again, sorry for the glare. And she has made all of these amazing ephemera packs. If you've ever had one of these, she stocks these absolutely chockers full of all sorts of things that we can use in our journals and tags and whatnot. It's got flowers, a dude here, butterflies, and every one is a little bit different, and they are so pretty. Look at those. Look at that little girl peeking out there. She's so cute. And this one. But there's lots of different ones. Another little boy here peeking. I just love them. And they're perfect for, like, if you just want to grab out a few things, don't want to get out your entire craft room, you can just grab one of these. And there's enough in here to make heaps of tags or just to decorate a whole journal. Awesome. Love them. So Reni's made all of those. So this is just a few, but we have heaps of these little inspiration packs. Most of them have a napkin or some other substrate in the back of them. And then they'll have, you know, handmade and some other bits and pieces. So this one's got a handmade tag, one of the sheets of 20 cut apart labels and some bows. But each one is a little bit different. This one's got some envelopes, postcard. This one's got a giant handmade embellishment, some lace, a cluster, some little, they're called candies. They're like little embellishments you stick on, some velvet ribbon in this one. So every one is different. So there's lots and lots of those. And then to finish off, I'll just pop these out of the way. And to finish off, Mum has put together some of these lovely textile bundles. So this one's got lots and lots of stuff in it. It's got lace, it's got embroidered trim, it's got a handmade flower. And as you can see, it's pretty chonky. Some sort of blingy fabric in there as well. Lots of lace trims. So that's awesome. And then there's these little lace and embellishment packs. Tassel, buttons, flower, bows and some lace in the back of those, and they come in a variety of colours. And then there's these cute little inspiration packs that have got, looks like buttons and beads and sequins and pearls and all sorts of things in that little bag with stacks of different laces and a lovely little image in there as well. So that should be able to give you some inspiration. So awesome box to receive from the Motherlode and from Reni. Like I said, I wish I could keep it all, but I'm sure they would object to that. So we will be popping all of this into the shop. There will be a link in the description box below. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I did opening it. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.